What's going on, E-Crew? Welcome back. On today's vlog, we're here in Fullerton area, and it's Crystal and I. So it's going to be her first time on the Super73 Z1. We're going to let her get a crack at it. And yeah, that's the newest one in the collection. I think I'm pretty much done with it. It's only at 42 tooth, so it only goes about 25 miles per hour. I'll be using, for the first half, the Super73 S2. And we're riding about 15-20 miles today. Only leisure ride for some holiday lights by the end of the night after the sunset. It is her first time on it. It's definitely shorter, more for your height. So it's like, yeah, you're not tiptoeing anymore the way you tiptoe on the S2 and the RX. All right, any questions on that bike? I think I showed you the PAS settings. Yeah, plus or minus. It just goes up to 5. I'll get you in the top speed, but torquey wise, that bike should be torqueier. So let's just say maybe to that bin. How many yards would you say that is? That first trash bin on the right. 40 yards? Yeah, it's not quite a football field, but it looks like it's a baseball field. Yeah, whatever a baseball field is. We're gonna just max throttle. Your throttles are here. You don't need the PAS. It's always one throttle mode on go, and then we'll just see who gets it. Super73 S2 versus the custom Luna Z1 BBSHD. All right, on go. Ready, set, go. Ah, Z1. There's the BBSHD. Torquey. Yeah, buddy. Nice. That's what I figured. That's what I figured. So let's start our ride. It looks like it's just gonna be you and me, bub. Let's roll. Torquey, right? And that bike is so quiet. It's not like this one. Taking my wife to see some holiday lights by the end of the night. You think of what to eat, and I'll take care of us in terms of the route, okay? All right, we reached the tracks at Brea. Should be a cool bike lane. I guess it's 7 a.m. to dusk. Here we go. This is a nice area. So with that bike, you could always sit backwards if you're more comfortable. Yeah. It's a long saddle. Seafoam teal colorway. Yeah, that bike looks like it fits her. She doesn't have to tiptoe anymore, and I don't have to worry so much. She is only 5 foot tall. How do you like the seat so far? Good? For me, it actually feels the same as the stock R or RX seat. But at least that's like longer, and you can adjust your position on it. With the RX seat, it's pretty much just one position. Not a lot of leeway. That's the only thing on these the tracks. There's some stoplights that you have to cross sidewalks on, but it's not too bad. Very scenic and relaxing area, in my opinion. Oh, and one more thing. There's like a part where you have to walk down your bike through some stairs where it ends, and you would be around the Brea Mall already. But it's not too bad. You can bike down the stairs if you're down for it. But the stairs has a ramp for the tires to go down on. It's pretty convenient for bikers. that was it. Yeah. How are we here already? That was so fast. You drove way too fast, lady. So, do you like this bike or that bike so far? You actually like, it's nice to be low on the ground, right? That's more your size. So, what is it that you like about that bike so far? We only rode for like 2 miles and you determined you like that more? You don't like the battery? Oh, in front of your... Well, that's how your mountain bike is. Do you want my help on this one, or do you think you can... You remember? There's like a rail here where your fat tire goes. And then you just use a brake to walk down the stairs. Or you can always just bike downstairs. Alright. Walking my bike. Just remember your brakes. It'll help you. You got it? Yeah. Alright. There we go. Alright. Let's explore Brea downtown area. Hi, Brea downtown. Looks pretty cool. Edward Cinemas, Tower Records. There's a lot of old school and new school things going on here. No, you know what? Let's go here. Follow me. Here's the parking spot that I was looking for. Okay, we're gonna go up the rooftop because that's the thing that we like to do. The sun's still pretty high up. There's the Tower Records. I don't even know that they're open. There's one car parked here. No, 2 cars parked out here. Never been to Brea downtown, have you? We're gonna just stop, take a few photos. You do your Pokemon Go, okay? I don't know. Look at the donuts that people are trying up here. Huh? Gyukaku? You like that though? I never liked it, but you like it? Yeah. You do? It's like expensive and it's not even good. Last time I tried it. But there's tons of restaurants here for sure. Go look at the your options. Knock knock. So this is from your fall?
My neck is sore.
Your neck is sore. Alright, we gotta go. You. Right. Right. Gotta get out of there. Vroom, vroom. I don't know why Google is making us do this. This is supposed to be the bike route. Alright, alright. We are just about approaching Craig Regional Park, one of Crystal's favorite park to go to and visit. Left. That's my signal, by the way. It's annoying. It's so annoying. My signals. Okay, you remember this park now? Ooh, chilly. Gonna look for a good spot to break and take more pictures. Let's see. $3 to park. Hello. Are we okay on an electric bikes?
$15
per bike. I was like, well,
I think you're okay. There's no engine on it.
Oh, okay.
Those
Well,
are pretty cool. What are they? Just a battery powered? Eh?
battery, yeah.
How long does the charge take to charge them?
Like a cell phone, 6 to 7 hours,
Oh.
and then it goes for about 30 miles.
Nice.
Yeah, not bad.
You guys are fine. I haven't seen any rules on.
All right, it's still kind of gray area, for sure.
Until they tell me it. Looks
Until the toy. Okay, well, thank you. Happy holidays.
I'll ask them.
All righty.
Have a good one, guys.
You too. I thought that was gonna be the first time we ever had to pay for an e-bike. $15. He said it pretty good. I was like, I'm looking at cars are $3. Why are e-bikes $15? All right. We've always biked through this and never went through that gate. That's the first time we went through that gate. Let Crystal lead. She said she wanted to take photos. Where is this lady going? First of all, she's going way too fast. It says here 10 miles per hour. Of course, Crystal's gonna bomb the downhill. I'm guessing she really likes that Z1. She's just leaving me in the dust. I told her choose a spot to take photos on, and we've been literally just driving around. Alright, out of all the spots, she wanted pictures of the roots. The ruts. You know, some people call it ruts. Some people call it roots. Okay, here we go. We're trying to wheelie practice. No. Hey, not bad. All right, here we go. Ah, scary. All right, we're heading on out of Craig Regional Park. All right, left. All right, now we're entering Cal State Fullerton College. They always have I remember they have a nice kind of bike path here. This is where I took my cousin before. We're exploring Cal State Fullerton. It is now chilly. They're doing a lot of constructions here. We're gonna go up this garage. I guess here. I remember going up this garage area. What was that? Yep. All right. Next garage, rooftop, number 2. Remember this place? Sorta, kinda. I don't see the sunset. But quick break here. This is where we're gonna swap bikes. What are your thoughts so far on that? You like it?
My bike.
Your bike? Our bike. But how does it feel? Like, it's good that you're not tiptoeing, you know? It feels, when you corner, you're so much more confident because you're low. I don't know if you felt it or not. But what's your battery? 78, and we've gone 12 miles. Okay, it's not bad. All right. We took about 5 minutes here, trying to take photos, looking at the sunset, trying to wheelie this bike. Still very torquey. I have about 78% left, going about 12 and a half miles. Oh, I almost fell. I almost looped out. Love this bike. Love how torquey it is. Ha-ha! We're now heading back towards Brea Sports Park. And there's like holiday lights that they have there. All right. We're 23 minutes away. Probably less on these e-bikes. And hopefully it's dark by then, so we can see the Christmas decorations. Let's roll. Something about custom e-bikes are just, you know, I really like how unique they stand out. And And something about not buying a store shelf bike just makes you feel better, right? At least it makes us feel better. And it just performs a lot better than stock e-bikes, you know? I really love this. And just the colorway, I think we chose a good colorway. We were originally gonna go with pink or seafoam teal. I'm glad we went with seafoam because at least it's not as feminine. Okay, we're pretty much here. I mean, this is the Fullerton. They call it, actually, we're probably in Brea Eagle Hills Christmas lights, straight up ahead. Pretty close to our parking spot. And we're just gonna cap our ride off with maybe like 5 to 10 minutes of riding here. You could go ahead and lead to see whatever you like. Just follow the lights and be wary of the cars. Obviously. Yeah, I just wanted to see follow Santa's route. Just wanted Crystal to see and enjoy this beautiful neighborhood here around Brea. Yeah, all kinds of lights, decorations going on. Nice, laser lights. Happy holidays belated, guys. By the time you see this video, it's likely that Christmas is over. Pretty soon, traffic is gonna start here. They typically, I think, start at 6 p.m. It's not even 5 yet, so we're early. Early bird gets the worm. And most residentials are probably just getting home from work. Oh, cut through that. You could cut through that, there's a ramp there. I'm gonna turn off my headlamp. I don't think we need it. It's more lit than I remember last year. Yeah, I told you, GJ. When he was looking for a Super 73, this is the similar ride that I took him. He probably had work. When you've had enough, let me know, and we'll head back. Okay? And you decide whatever you want to eat, too. Whatever you're craving. It is freezing. Lots of cul-de-sacs here. Mermaid. You like mermaids? Minions. And Toy Story. What PAS are you on? 0? You're just warming up your body, huh? Alright, folks. I'm gonna wrap it up. Close out the video here. Again, happy holidays, belated. Kindly like and subscribe for more content. Help out the channel by checking out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super 73, any aerial rider, or if you're more off-roady and you're a DIY person, I definitely recommend building your own electric mountain bike. Also discounts in the description below. Stay safe and amazing out there. See you guys in the next one. Peace.